All right, Blackstones are back. Can you say hi? No? What are you eating? An apple? All right. So, let's get started. We're going to do a couple of plantings. First of all, so we did the unboxing. In your box, you've got instructions. 1, put the soil in the pot. 2, put the plant in the soil in the pot. 3, put some mulch on top of the plant that's in the dirt that's in the pot. And 4, give it some water. Sunlight, pretty easy. If you mess this up, I'm a little concerned, but we can talk. And each plant then comes with a card talking about different information about basil. It even then talks about common issues to basil plant, so you can actually look them up. Don't forget about the app. And then there's some recipes. All right, should we?
Let's get started.
All right, so we're gonna find the soil for the basil. So basil likes loose, well-drained, and fertile soil. And so this is just for the basil. So we're gonna open it up. It smells good.
It's like mulch.
It's like mulch, but this is dirt.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna fill up the container. It says, again, instructions. 3/4 of the way up. So, want to help me fill it? All right. Good job. Okay. Almost there. All right. Maybe a little bit more.
Which one are we doing?
The basil.
Okay.
All right, so about 3/4 of the way up. Yeah, it's about half. Why not? Get your hands in it according to the instructions. It's good for you. Balance yourself. Feel some dirt. All that hippie stuff. It's cool. All right.
I do it.
We're doing this on our kitchen table with apples and toddlers. Yeah, get the dirt everywhere.
I literally just had this house clean.
I love it. So we'll carefully unbox the plant. Right. Are you okay, honey? Did you just bite your lip?
Yeah.
No, you just were being dramatic.
I just toast me.
Oh, okay. A bit of rocket science to get this open. All right. So we're doing that off camera, sort of on camera. All right, it comes in a little box that says it is basil. It is purple basil. We'll put that in a second. All right. Make sure the soil's a little damp, still damp. Good job. Clearly got watered yesterday before it came off. The flying shells. Okay. Make a little divot here. Get it all down in there. Woohoo! I don't know. We'll keep that on. Might as well. All right. Some more soil in here. Thank you, buddy. You move it around the plant. Perfect. While mommy's getting frustrated that there's dirt everywhere. All right. All the way around, so it's all nice and supported. Good job. All right. Now, mulch. We got a nice little bag of mulch. Like it's almost like a Starbucks because it feels like a coffee thing. Cool. We got some nice brown mulch. It'd be nice if we had some nice brown mulch in our flower beds up front. It's all around. Help Retain moisture in that soil. All right. We have planted our plant. What do you think?
Good.
It's good. All right. Now we'll get this in water and get it outside. Maybe put a few pictures. If you're interested, and if you live in Texas,
Look.
go to Gardenio.
Look.
I don't know. I'll put the URL on the thing. Is that what they call it? I don't know.
We'll cook with it tonight.
It's yummy. All right. Say thank you. We
Thank you.
planted. Bye. Look down. You can see you. There you go. Bye.
Hey, we need to do this one.
We'll
We'll
do
do it
that
later.
next.